India this morning reported 8,356 people have contracted the coronavirus disease and 273 have died across the country, with more than 900 cases and 34 deaths in the last 24 hours, as per a media report. According to the Union Health Ministry's data, at 8 a.m., there were 7,367 active cases, 716 people have been cured, discharged or migrated. Prime Minister Modi said the government earlier motto was "Jaan hai to jahan hai." Now it is "Jaan bhi jahan bhi," signaling a shift in the centre's approach. The coronavirus death toll in the US crossed the 20,000 mark, surpassing Italy to become worst affected country in the world. New York City alone reported 6,367 deaths. A media report said the grim milestone was reached as President Donald Trump mulled over when the country, which has registered more than 500,000 infections, might begin to see a return to normality. Public health experts have warned the US death toll could reach 2 lakh over the summer if unprecedented stay-at-home orders that have closed businesses and kept most Americans indoors are lifted when they expire at the end of the month. The number of infected people around the world crossed 1.7 million, with more than 52,000 people infected in the US, followed by Spain, Italy and France. Former Manipur Chief Minister and Congress Legislative Party leader Okram Ibobi today criticized the Bahrain government over the COVID-19 lockdown relaxation. Addressing media at his official quarter in Imphal, he questioned the veracity of the lockdown relaxation in the state yesterday and asked who gave the permission. He also expressed fear that such unruly relaxation could spread COVID-19. Many had complained that no social distancing norms were followed by people during the lockdown relaxation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended Easter greetings and prayed that the day gives added strength to successfully overcome COVID-19. Best wishes to everyone on the special occasion of Easter. We remember the noble thoughts of Lord Christ, especially his unwavering commitment to empowering the poor and the needy, the Prime Minister wrote on Twitter. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today greeted the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Seraubao, which falls on April 13. As the day marks the onset of a new year, let us renew our fraternal bond and unity among different communities and strive for bringing inclusive development in the state, Biren said in his message. Uripok Khosnamlekai Youth Development Club and Women Development Committee, under the guidance of Baba Fish proprietor Khomdram Buddha, distributed edible items to the residents of Uripok Khosnamlekai at the local community hall. Buddha also distributed masks to TOMTV staffs. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, with the motto of the Assam Rifles, Friends of the Northeast People, the 37th Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles extended help to an orphanage by providing free ration to the children and the staff. The inmates of Gilligal Children Orphanage at Uchathal village under Jiribam district have been facing shortage of basic food items due to nationwide lockdown. Under the supervision of Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam, who is also the MLA of Haidok constituency, edible items were distributed to 420 households under 33/27 polling station of Haidok constituency during total lockdown. Nominee of Haidok MLA Laishram called on for a united fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Chingphu Sereng Saidamlub, under the sponsorship of Nambol constituency MLA and Lokan, distributed essential items to the household of Ishok Maning Chingya and Ishok Terapokpi Kabuikhul. A team led by the Secretary of the Lub H. Brajamohan and Assistant Secretary S. Kelin distributed the items. Brajamohan urged the people not to venture out without any reason and said everyone should wear masks while going out. Essential items were distributed to around 13,000 households in Kumbi constituency today. The distribution was carried out at the residence of Wangu Borayangbi Jila Parishad member M. Brojen at Ithai Bazar. Edible items were also distributed to Santi Ashram Old Age Home at Kumbi Terakhong Lamlong village.